Hey, so in this video, I want to compare two really well-known investing newsletters, Capitalist Exploits newsletter, or it's called the Insider newsletter from Capitalist Exploits, and the Motley Fool. So each newsletter has their own unique characteristics and does take a different approach to investing in finance. And even though the Motley Fool has actually been around for a pretty long time, there are many reasons why I think the Insider newsletter from Capitalist Exploits might be a much better choice for both beginners and advanced investors. So let me give you some background on the Motley Fool first. The Motley Fool was founded in 1993 and it's known for its accessible approach to investing. It's a good starting point for beginners and for people that are looking for a basic foundation in stock market investing. Some of their popular services include the popular Stock Advisor and Rule Breakers, and they focus on stock picks that are aimed at long-term growth. Capitalist Exploits also values long-term investing, but their strategy is actually really unique. Using their strategy, you'll have the potential to earn higher returns in both the short term and the long term. Now, Capitalist Exploits is led by professional fund manager Chris McIntosh, and so they cater to investors that are seeking what they call an asymmetric investment opportunity. So the potential upside in this situation would be far more than the potential downside. So this means that you're much more likely in the long run to make quite a bit of money, at least, way more than the average investor in the market. And so this is really intriguing for people that already have a grasp of fundamentals and they're looking for more advanced strategies. Now, here are some of the main reasons why I think Capitalist Exploits might be the better choice. Now, first of all, as I said before, they're led by experts and there's a lot of expert-led analysis. So they actually offer insights that stem from their own personal extensive experience and they have a deep understanding of global markets. So this professional edge actually might be what you're looking for if you want really advanced, well-researched guidance. Secondly, they focus on asymmetric opportunities. So the whole, emphasis of the newsletter is identifying investments where the potential upside can lead to substantial returns. So if you're comfortable with a little bit of high risk, then this focus could be more rewarding than the traditional stock picks that you would get from the Motley Fool. And because their strategy is focused on asymmetric opportunities, the risk is actually much lower. So you're not like gambling in crypto or something. This would make you much more likely to see high returns in the long term. While the Motley Fool is primarily focused on stocks in the US, Capitalist Exploits, this newsletter, is going to give you a broader perspective and it takes into account global trends and opportunities. So this wide angle view can be a game changer for any investor who wants to diversify internationally. Now, exclusivity and depth is another area where this newsletter shines. So the detailed, comprehensive analysis that they offer at Capitalist Exploits are tailored for an audience that really appreciates depth and detail in their investment advice. So this really contrasts with the general advice that you're going to find in the Motley Fool. Like you can see here, this website just has a bunch of general tools and a bunch of articles and stuff, but no clear path for an investor who wants to actually take action. Capitalist Exploits is easily one of the best finance and investing services online, and this is backed up by their very high rating on Trustpilot, so you can check this out. Out of over 400 reviews, they have a 4.9 rating, with pretty much all of them being 5 stars. Now, for comparison, the Motley Fool has a much lower rating of only 3.7. To be fair, they also have a lot more reviews. So it's over 8,000, so you can make of that what you will, but I still think there's a huge difference between 3.7 and 4.9. Besides the pure technical aspects, I really like the unfiltered humor and the sense of community that they have on Capitalist Exploits. So it's something I haven't seen in any other finance or investing newsletter. And the fact that they don't care about being politically correct, that gives them so much freedom to share better investment ideas and way funnier memes, such as these ones. So if you want to try Capitalist Exploits, they have a 30-day trial to their newsletter for just $1, and you can use the link in the description to try it out.